Trust Wallet versus Exodus. Which is better? When it comes to crypto wallets, two names often stand out: Trust Wallet and Exodus. But which one is better for your needs? Let's break it down. Trust Wallet is a mobile-first wallet designed for users who want easy access to a broad range of cryptocurrencies. It supports over 4.5 million assets across 70-plus blockchains, making it ideal for active traders and DeFi enthusiasts. Trust Wallet's standout features include in-app staking for coins like BNB and Cardano, a built-in Web3 browser for accessing dApps, and full ownership of your private keys. It's a decentralized, non-custodial wallet, ensuring your funds remain under your control. With its simple interface and support for NFTs, it's a versatile option for crypto beginners and advanced users alike. Exodus, on the other hand, shines with its multi-platform availability. It's accessible on mobile, desktop, and even integrates with hardware wallets like Trezor for added security. Exodus supports over 260 cryptocurrencies and offers a built-in exchange, allowing you to swap assets without leaving the app. Its intuitive interface makes it a favorite among users new to crypto. For those focused on portfolio management, Exodus provides detailed analytics and real-time price tracking. While it doesn't offer direct access to dApps or staking like Trust Wallet, it compensates with its sleek design and robust customer support. So, which should you choose? If you're primarily on mobile and want access to a wide range of assets, DeFi tools, and staking, Trust Wallet is your go-to. It's designed for users looking to maximize crypto's decentralized ecosystem. On the other hand, if you're a beginner or prefer managing your portfolio across multiple devices, Exodus offers a more user-friendly and visually appealing experience. Its desktop support and integration with hardware wallets make it a great choice for long-term holders who value security and ease of use. Ultimately, both wallets excel in different areas, so your choice depends on your priorities. Active traders and DeFi enthusiasts may prefer Trust Wallet, while beginners and hodlers might gravitate toward Exodus. Regardless of your choice, both wallets give you control over your crypto and ensure your digital assets are secure.